easy go.
Construction crane falls on vehicles in Seattle, killing 2 workers and 2 people in cars. 4 people were killed Saturday when a crane collapsed and fell from the roof of a building onto vehicles in the street below, Seattle authorities said. 2 of the dead were crane operators and 2 were in cars smashed by the crane. Seattle Fire Chief Harold Scoggins said at a news conference. The victims included 3 males and 1 female. Fire Department spokesman Lance Garland said 3 others, including a 4-month-old, were taken to a hospital for treatment of non-life-threatening injuries, Garland said. The crane smashed 6 cars when it fell, according to Scoggins. While referring to the incident as a tragic day in Seattle, Mayor Jenny Durkan said in a statement, "We also saw some miracles, including a mother and a young child whose car was struck by the crane but survived." Assistant Police Chief Eric Green said the Seattle roadway where the collapse occurred may be closed until Sunday evening. Washington Gov. Jay Inslee advised in a tweet that people should stay clear of the scene and allow medical personnel and investigators to do their work. Inslee referred to the incident as a terrible accident and expressed condolences to the families and friends of the victims. The cause of the crane collapse was not immediately clear, with Mayor Durkan saying in her statement, "Determining how and why this tragedy happened will take time."